It's Dr. Nelson here from Rising Sun Chiropractic and Southern Minnesota Weight Loss Center, talking about gaps versus gains. And I know we've touched on this in the past, but I think it's relevant for both, for a lot of parts of life, not just weight loss, not just recovering from an injury, but exercise goals or paying off a debt. And so we're going to talk a little bit today about gaps versus gains and why it's really important to focus on the things you've achieved as opposed to where you want to be. Now, as we talk about weight loss, people come in sometimes with monumental goals, and I hope very soon we're sharing some of our biggest weight loss stories to date because they're fantastic. But it is very important that we aren't getting caught up in the idea of I want to lose 50, 60, 100 pounds and then being disappointed when we've only lost 30, because only 30 is a terrible way to describe it. 30 pounds of weight loss is massive, and that's a huge change in the stress on your body, the stress on your hormones, the energy you have. Those are big, big goals made already. And so as we come in and we have a start weight, we start to make some change. We're introducing lifestyle habits, we're introducing lifestyle change, and that weight loss starts to come off. And so we are bound to have good days and we're bound to have bad days. But when we have a bad day and then we start to focus on, man, I'm not 60 pounds down, or boy, I've been at the same weight for a couple of days, it's easy to focus on the negatives. But what we really want you to come back to again and again is the gains you've made. You are making healthy dietary choices on a far more regular basis than you were. You are losing weight in a way that is not only replicatable for the rest of your life, but will lead to lifestyle change and your successes over time, and ultimately will take you to that end weight. And so a bad day comes and goes, a bad workout comes and goes, an injury comes and goes, but we have to focus on those daily contributions to the end goal. They're going to get us there. And so when you're looking at your successes, don't be frustrated about where you have to be. Hold that carrot out, keep moving towards it, but stay congratulating yourself on the wins that you've had each day. Whether it is going to the state fair and being able to find a salad and a meal that fit your plan, or getting in that extra workout because you've got a goal for this week or this month, or even saving a little bit of money so you can pay a little bit extra down on a debt. And so stay focused on the wins, because those will keep you more focused and more energetic on your successes than getting worried about, I'm not deadlifting 400 pounds, or I'm not paying off a house mortgage, or I've still got 100 pounds of weight to lose. So keep proud of yourself, focus on the wins, and keep up the great work.